Right now, you probably glance at a clock without thinking twice, but why does an hour have 60 minutes and a minute have 60 seconds? Why not 100? Why not 50? Why exactly 60? The answer goes back 4,000 years to a civilization that has nothing to do with clocks and a number system you've probably never thought about. And it worked so well that humanity has tried to replace it more than once and given up every time. It starts around 2000 BCE in what's now Iraq with the Sumerians and later the Babylonians. These people didn't count in tens the way we do. They counted in 60s. It's called a sexagesimal system. So why 60? Because each of your four fingers has 3 joints. 4 times 3 is 12. Multiply that by the 5 fingers on your other hand, and you get 60. You could count to 60 using just your hands, one hand tapping through the 12 joints, the other hand keeping track of how many times you completed a set of 12. Here's the real reason it stuck. 60 is a mathematically excellent number. It divides evenly by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, and 30. 10 different divisors. Compare that to base 10, where 10 only divides evenly by 2 and 5. Try splitting a cake into 3 equal parts in a base 10 system and you're stuck with fractions. In base 60, it comes out as a whole number. The Babylonians noticed this and used the system to measure time, angles, and even geography. That's also why a circle has 360 degrees, 60 times 6, same root. The hour itself comes from a different civilization, ancient Egypt. The Egyptians split daytime into 12 parts and nighttime into 12 parts because 12 was also an easily divisible number, and they tracked 12 constellations across the sky. Later, Greek astronomers combined Egypt's 24-hour day with Babylon's base 60 system. They split each hour into 60 small parts, calling them pars minuta prima, Latin for first small part. That's where the word minute comes from. Splitting the minute again by 60 gave pars minuta secunda, second small part. That's our second. Here's the interesting part. Humanity tried to overturn this system more than once. In 1793, during the French Revolution, revolutionaries decided to decimalize everything. The meter, the kilogram, even time itself. They split the day into 10 hours, the hour into 100 minutes, the minute into 100 seconds. It didn't work. People couldn't replace millions of clocks, sundials, and church bells overnight. The system was abandoned after 17 months. So every time you check the time, you're carrying a 4,000-year-old inheritance. Sumerians counting finger joints, Egyptians tracking constellations, and Greek astronomers merging the two. It worked so well that not even a revolution could tear it down. Next time you glance at a clock, take a second to consider just how ancient a calculator you're actually looking at.